How to make a slide transition effect with motion blur. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I would like to add a slide transition effect with motion blur in between them. First, go to Effects panel and search for Push. Drag and drop Push effect into between your videos. Select the transition, then go to Effect Controls panel and set the alignment to center at cut. Now double-click on Transition and set its duration to 16 frames. Now create a new adjustment layer with default settings and drag it above your clips and timeline, and adjust its length to be like your transition. Search for directional blur effect and drag it into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls. Move the playhead at the start and set direction to 90 and click on stopwatch next to blur length to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the center and set blur length to 100 to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set blur length to 0 to create the third keyframe. Now we have this slide with motion blur transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.